हाय एवरीवन, आप सबके रश्मि एजुकेशन चैनल में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। मैं बच्चों आपको आज 10th स्टैंडर्ड के सोशल साइंस के कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स बताने जा रही हूँ। आप सब बच्चों ये जो रश्मि एजुकेशन चैनल है इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लेना, ताकि मैं आपको जो जो आंसर्स दूँ इम्पोर्टेंट्स वो आपको उसकी नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए और आपको बोर्ड में भी वो काम आए। ये जो आंसर बच्चों थोड़ी सी अलग होगी, मेरा अपना बनाया हुआ आंसर है जो आपको बहुत अच्छा स्कोरिंग करा सकता है। आई होप यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड वैल्यू ऑफ दिस चैनल एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल ऑल्सो। नाउ कम टू द पॉइंट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज द पॉवर्टी? व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ पीपल लिविंग बिलो poverty line? Your answer is a large number of people are deprived of satisfying their basic and essential requirement of the life, such as food, clothes, shelter, education and health service. Such a situation is known as poverty. Then what are the characteristics of the living below the poverty line? In India, poverty is viewed as lowest level of the life. Common feature of people living below poverty line or characteristic of the people living below poverty line are as follows. Person who is not able to get 2 time meals a day. People those who have not dwelling place. They are forced to live in saving or slum areas. They are suffer from various diseases due to lack of nutritious food. Generally, they are illiterate. Children are forced to taken up their responsibility of looking after the family at the age of study. Death rate is high due to malnutrition. तो ये था क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, एक्सप्लेन पॉवर्टी इन इंडिया। अकॉर्डिंग टू वन रिपोर्ट ऑफ वर्ल्ड बैंक, इंडिया's total population was approximately 121 crore in 2010-11, out of which 32.7% people were living in below poverty line, which makes about 45.6 crore. The proportion of poverty in Chhattisgarh, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Manipur, Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Orissa have 30%. There are 2 types of poor in India: rural poor, urban poor. Rural poor generally landless laborers, farm laborers, artisan of cottage industries or small scale industries, inhabitants of forest or mountainous region, tribals are called rural poor. Urban poor labors on daily wage, domestic workers, rickshawalas, workers in tea stalls or hotels or dhabas, beggars or who are not able to satisfy their minimum and basic necessities and live in poverty are considered to be urban poor. Then question number 3, what is the unemployment? State the reason for unemployment or state the type of unemployment. 1, who is adult, who is in search of work but is not getting work, such a person is said to be unemployed. Such type of condition in group is called unemployment. Following are the type of unemployment in Indian economy. 1, seasonal unemployment. Farmers have to remain unemployed for 3 to 5 months in India due to lack of irrigation facilities, irregularity in rainfall and lack of alternative employment. This is called seasonal unemployment. Then 2, frictional unemployment. When new technology is introduced in place of old technology, they need training for that technology. Till then, laborers are remain unemployed. This is called frictional unemployment. Then structural unemployment. Indian economy is backward and orthodox social backwards, traditional orthodoxy, illiteracy and lack of structural facility are responsible for structural unemployment. Then disguised unemployment. Sometimes more than required number of workers are involved in an occupation. Even if a few laborers are removed from work, no decrease is recorded in total production. So these extra laborers are said to be unemployment in disguised way. Number 5th, industrial unemployment. In the industrial field, if anyone has to remain unemployed for short term or long term due to changes taking place in industrial sector, such a situation is called industrial unemployment. Then 6, educated unemployment. If a person has obtained at least secondary education or degree and in unemployment, he is called educated unemployed. तो ये था बच्चों कुछ एक दो आंसर जो आपकी इस टेस्ट में और आपकी बोर्ड में भी काम आ सकती है। इसके मैं दूसरे आंसर्स जल्दी देने वाली हूँ जो आपको बहुत काम आएगी। टिल देन